Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a resume on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the app and click on the template section here. So once you click on the template section, it should bring you to a page similar to this, and you can scroll by category and choose the resume section here. So once you click on it, it should bring you to a different page where there will be a whole lot of templates for you to choose from. So we can go ahead and choose any template that appeals to us. We can sample them, and let's say we've seen the one we love. Let's say, let me choose this. All you have to do is to just click on it, and then to see it better, then you can click customize this template. Now some would be the icon pro will be written on them, which means that it's for pro Canva accounts. So they are free templates. You can also filter by free templates. So let's once the page is done loading, you can customize each icon, each infographic, or each name to suit your purpose. Let's say I want to change this to say Victor. So this is how to prepare a resume on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section, and do have a great day.